Let me show you how to add in job alerts in Glassdoor. If you add in job alerts inside of Glassdoor, and whenever a search matches or a job title matches, you're going to get a notification inside of Glassdoor or even in your email. So to simply add in a job alert, what you can do is head over to the job option on the top and then search for your job title as well as your location that you're interested in. Once you search for a particular job title, and even if you don't add in the location, you'll have the section called Create Job Alert. This way, for the exact title that you selected, you're going to get job alerts. You can also add in a few additional information or settings if you head over to the View option and then click on View All Job Alerts. It's going to straight away take you to the settings on your profile into the notifications panel. If you open up the jobs section, you can see the exact job alerts that you've made inside of Glassdoor. You can also add new job alerts to this section as well by clicking on the Add Job Alert option. This way you'll be able to add in either the job title as well as similar keywords that might be related. This is a more detailed section based upon the keywords that you add in. You can select the frequency of the job alert to either daily or weekly. Let's say you don't want a particular job alert, you can also remove it by clicking on the trash can icon. If this tutorial video did help you out, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe if you are interested in more future videos just like this.